Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore all the ins and outs of a platform called Podcastle. So, let's get straight to it and start from scratch. In the very beginning, your audio editor looks exactly like this. You have 4 options to start with: record, text-to-speech, convert video to podcast, or simply upload by dragging your file to the soundboard. The text-to-speech is for the cases where you want to convert your script to podcast using AI voice skins. For now, I will show you all the features of the audio editor. Now, if you want to remove any part of the audio file, then just hover around the edge of audio track until you get the trim tool. Now, all you have to do is to remove it just like this. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always bring it back using the Ctrl-Z. By the way, you can also remove the unwanted parts by splitting them. But if you want to remove something that is right in the middle of the clip, you can use the text editor and just delete the part of the clip that you don't like. Let me show you. Right-click on the clip and from the drop-down menu, choose Transcribe. As I have only one speaker in the clip, I will not change the number and click Transcribe. So let's say I want to make my audio shorter by removing some phrases. I'll delete it from the text. It's as easy as that. You can also use Podcastle AI voice feature by clicking on the Generate option on the top of the editor. Here, write text and choose one of the AI voice skins. Once you click Generate, you'll see the results here. If you look over to the left side bar, you will find some additional features. The music icon here will open a menu of royalty-free tracks, which you can use as your podcast intro or outro. By the way, if you want to fix the place of your clips and make sure they do not move, you can hit this freeze icon. It will lock your track so that you don't make any accidental changes. These were the main features and a small review of Podcastle Audio Editor. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Podcastle for free.